CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2014 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.